So we just got a little braze job here. It's that spindle nut I showed you guys. We're gonna get to it. So we've got it in the sand. We're just gonna let it cool down. I usually just let it cool down overnight, and then we'll need to flip it and do the other two sides. All right, guys, we got this brazing repair done. It is not the prettiest thing in the world. So somebody had welded this back on. You remember me showing in a previous video. There was not a whole lot of meat to play with. This vise is probably 110 years old. No idea, but it's pretty old. Anyway, somebody had broke this off, tried to re-weld it. It did not stick. So we had to grind that weld out, put in a braze. I didn't grind all the weld off because it was kind of acting like buildup. But we've got that brazed all the way around. Bottom side is a little ugly. We've got some porosity there. I'm gonna leave it alone. So I think we're gonna stick. All this needs to do is this dovetail comes back into another piece. So it's not like your average vise that slides all the way in a dovetail. This comes back into another piece that caps over it to keep it from lifting. So I believe that's gonna work. Not a whole lot of meat to play with. We've got it pretty square. We're gonna ship it on and see how it does for our customer. If this doesn't work as far as alignment, we'll be cutting these threads off and welding a piece onto a dovetail piece, starting over from scratch. But this was just a quick little video of me brazing. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for watching. I really hope you're enjoying the content here. I'm trying to push it out as often as I can. We've got some more jobs coming up. This was just a quick little job. So not a whole lot of talking in this video, just some various clips. Anyway, guys, until next time, thanks for watching.